Yeah. Oh no! Yeah. Oh no! No! No way! That was such a cool eat. He just didn't stick. Oh my god! That was a good eat. You bastard. Oh no way. I got nothing all day yesterday, and the first section in the morning, that was a good size fish. Why does this happen so much now? Oh, I just did not even realize that was going to happen. Oh. You fucking idiot, Kyle. Set the hook. Come on. Set the fucking hook. Everyone tells you, set the hook. Oh, that's got my confidence up. Holy shit.
Oh, yonder tail. Oh, that's a fire yonder. Oh, God, he's tired. Like, what? That was too fast. Oh, oh, hey, fire yonder. Oh, my goodness. Oh, don't get no up close and personal than that. Come on for that, Huck. Got you. Man, you a nice ski. Oh, all right, beautiful. Oh, I was just gonna say a couple of goodbyes, a couple of parting ways, you know, thoughts. Okay, dude. What time? Yonder tail, yonder tail, yonder tail, yonder tail, yonder tail, yonder tail. Y'all know what I gotta do. Dude! Luckily my paddle flow. Look at that one. Gosh. That's a gordita, yonder, muffin top, belly shirt, and all the above. Goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh man. It's so beautiful. Wow. Oh man, hey, he got stuck on that one little piece of grass. He ripped off. We was off to the races. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, that felt so good. Yes sir, fishingwithO.com, baby. One time.